Today we will create Etsy seller account, listing submissions and integration payment solutions with easy steps. I'm sure after watching this video my viewers can easily create their own online shop on Etsy. Guys, you must watch the complete video and follow the same steps to create your Etsy seller account. So let's start without wasting more time. In the search bar I will type sign up Etsy shop and will press enter. You will get multiple results against this query, but we will go with the first link. Once you will click on this link, you will land on this page. Here you will provide your email address, first name and password, and you will click on the register. After successful registration, you will land on the Etsy main page. Now you will click on the top right corner and then will click on sale on Etsy. Now let's click on the CTA get started. In the first step, you will select language, shop country and shop currency. Then you will mark the best option which describes you. I am a full-time seller, so I will go with this option and click on the save and continue. Now you will type your shop name like this. Your shop name should be between 4 to 20 characters without special characters or letters. Now you will click save and continue. Now at this stage you will create a product listing. As I told you in previous video, product listing is a part of registration. Now let's upload product images here. Simply click on the add photo and select your product images with a few variations like different angles, illustration images and product benefit images. The product image should be with a clear background. I recommend white background and your photo would be 2700 pixels wide and 2000 pixels tall. Use natural images without a flash. This size is perfect for Etsy recommendation and will allow you to optimize the image for the web. Once you upload images successfully, scroll down and you can add a product video that will make your listing more engaging with your audience. The next section is listing details. Under this section, you will type the product title. Here you will let them know about the listing, who made this product, what is it and what date you make it. I choose options that suits me. You can go with your own selection. Next you will select the product category and choose the right category that is most important. Otherwise it may cause decreased engagement and your product visibility. You must know which category your product falls under. Next you will select product color, primary and secondary. Next is listing renewal. If you will select automatic, then every 4 months you will be charged $0.20 for listing renewals. Otherwise you can choose the manual option. Move ahead, you will select product type. Is it a physical product or a digital? Digital product is something without a physical presence like email templates, website templates, etc. Description. You will type detailed information about your product and type to define the benefits and how to use this product in a better way. Under production partner, Etsy monitor your vendors and manufacturer details, so this will appear only with Etsy instead of buyers. So make sure to provide the right details about your product partner like manufacturer company, location and a short introduction of the product partner. Along with you will select the option which helps to understand the production process between you and your production partner. Save partner, check on it and move on. Guys, tags are very important part. You will insert product keywords in this field. I have already done keyword research for my product, so I am pasting them here. If you don't know how to find keywords, I have made a detailed video on how to search products and keywords with tools and manual techniques. So you can watch that video for keyword research. You can find the video link under the description. You will type here product material. Under the inventory and pricing, you will type the product retail price under the price, and you will mention here the number of units available of this product under the quantity. SKU, stock keeping unit number, is used by retailers to identify your inventory, so you can add a unique number for identification. You can add here if your product is available in multiple colors or sizes. My product does not have variation, so I leave this option blank. Personalization, you can add specification or notes to the buyers. Under the box, you can add instructions for your buyers. It is an optional field, so I leave it blank and move on to the next section. Guys, this is a very important part, so you need to listen to the details carefully. Delivery, fill out your postage price here. Set the delivery price for the buyers. I will go with select manually. Then will delivery origin. Enter the postcode, then choose the processing time. Scroll down and select courier services and charges. I will go with free delivery. You can choose what you like. Next, you will type the item weight in pounds or ounce. If you don't know the weight in lb or ounce, you can Google a weight calculator and easily change the kilograms into the pound. Here you will provide product packaging dimension. Next, you will review the postage origin and price and will click on Save and Continue. Now, if you want to add more listing, then you can click on Add Listing. Otherwise, we can continue it by clicking Do This Later. Now, next step is we need to add tax details. And what is your seller status? If you are an individual or a sole proprietor, then you can go with the first option like me. But if you are a business owner or a brand, you can choose incorporated business option and you will fill out these required details. Here you will provide seller details to 𝐂𝐻. Select your country of residence. Here you will type first name, last name, date of birth and taxpayer address with contact number. Guys, here you need to make sure that the address should be the same as which is used for the tax filing. Scroll down and you will select bank account location, then you will provide your bank details to 𝐻𝐻. Now click and save and continue. Now in this part you will verify your proof of identity. Simply you can upload your passport. If the passport is not available, then you can upload CNIC, either driving license as well. All the instructions are already available about the image quality and dimension, etc, etc. Here I will select the passport. I have a passport available in the image. Just click on the choose file and select the passport image. So you can read them thoroughly. Once you upload required documents, now click on save and continue. In the next step is how you will get paid. Choose the deposit schedule that you like. I will go with the once per week and will click on save and continue. If you didn't confirm your email address like me, then you can do it before billing. Here you can see a message, please confirm your email. So I will just click here to resend confirmation email. Once you will click here, you will receive a confirmation code from 𝐂𝐻𝐶 through email. You will simply paste that code in this box and click on submit. Now we can add credit card details. A debit card is also acceptable. Provide the billing address and click save and continue. Guys, I would like to suggest you that enable two-factor authentication. Basically, it is an extra security layer of your shop. Here are multiple options are available to enable this, but I would like to go to receive a code through SMS. So I will select the text messages. You need to type here your active mobile number and you will receive a code on your mobile. Paste that code here to verify your number. Now click on continue. I would also recommend you save your backup codes on your computer. If you ever lose access, you can use these codes to sign in to your account. And now finally click on open your shop. Now 𝐂𝐻𝐶 shop is ready. You can see the shop dashboard and all the features available to improve your shop. You can add more product listings to follow the same steps and be ready to sell globally.